Known as the Pearl of the Indian Ocean, Sri Lanka is a land of stunning natural beauty, rich history, and vibrant culture. From the rolling hills of its tea plantations to the bustling streets of Colombo, Sri Lanka offers a unique blend of ancient traditions and modern charm. Sri Lanka's history stretches back thousands of years, with its ancient cities like Anuradhapura and Polonnaruwa standing as testaments to the island's glorious past. These UNESCO World Heritage Sites are home to magnificent stupas, royal palaces, and sacred Bodhi trees that have witnessed the rise and fall of kingdoms. Every stone tells a story, every carving a chapter in the rich tapestry of Sri Lanka's cultural heritage. Here, the teachings of Buddhism have flourished for over 2,000 years, shaping the island's spiritual landscape and cultural identity. Rising majestically from the central plains, Sigiriya, or Lion Rock, is one of Sri Lanka's most iconic landmarks. This ancient rock fortress, built by King Kashyapa in the 5th century, is a marvel of engineering and artistry. Its summit, accessible by a series of steep steps and terraces, offers breathtaking views and a glimpse into the ingenuity of ancient Sri Lankan civilization. Adorned with vibrant frescoes of celestial maidens and surrounded by lush gardens, Sigiriya is a masterpiece of harmony between man and nature. The famous mirror wall, once polished to a mirror-like sheen, is covered in ancient graffiti, revealing the thoughts and emotions of visitors from centuries past. Moving south to the heart of the island, we arrive in Kandy, the cultural capital of Sri Lanka. Home to the sacred Temple of the Tooth, which houses the revered relic of the Buddha's tooth, Kandy is a focal point of Sri Lankan spirituality and tradition. Every year, the city comes alive during the Esala Perahera, a grand procession of elephants, dancers, and drummers celebrating the sacred relic. This vibrant festival is a dazzling display of Sri Lanka's deep-rooted religious traditions and the enduring devotion of its people. Beyond the cultural landmarks, Sri Lanka is renowned for its breathtaking natural beauty. The rolling hills of the central highlands, covered with emerald tea plantations, are a sight to behold. Here, in the misty mountains of Nuwara Eliya and Ella, some of the world's finest tea is cultivated. Tea pluckers, mostly women, move with grace across the slopes, picking the tender leaves that will be processed into Ceylon tea, a globally cherished beverage. The tea estates and factories offer a glimpse into the island's colonial past and its transformation into a modern nation. Sri Lanka is also a haven for wildlife enthusiasts. From the dense jungles of Yala and Wilpattu, where leopards prowl in the shadows, to the gentle giants of Minaria gathering in massive herds, the island's national parks are teeming with diverse flora and fauna. Beyond its rich history and culture, Sri Lanka's wildlife is a crucial part of its identity. The island is one of the best places in the world to witness the awe-inspiring sight of elephants and leopards in their natural habitat. Finally, Sri Lanka's coastline is a paradise for sun-seekers and adventure lovers alike. From the golden beaches of Bentota and Marissa to the surf breaks of Arugam Bay, the island's shores offer endless opportunities for relaxation and exploration. Here, life is slow and rhythmic, with fishermen casting their nets from stilts and local markets brimming with the vibrant colors and flavors of Sri Lankan cuisine. Sri Lanka is more than just an island. It's a living mosaic of history, culture, and natural beauty. From ancient temples and fortresses to lush tea estates and bustling markets, every corner of Sri Lanka has a story to tell. A journey to this remarkable island is a journey into the heart of a nation that has preserved its heritage while embracing the future. As the sun sets over the Indian Ocean, we are reminded of Sri Lanka's timeless allure, a destination that captivates the soul and leaves an indelible mark on all who visit.